sleep and natural birth. My husband's snoring affects my sleep? Hey young man, few playful tips to help you stop snoring and create a more peaceful sleeping environment. 1. Get creative with pillow fortresses. Elevate your head with extra pillows to promote better airflow. Building a cozy pillow fortress may just do the trick. 2. Embrace the magic of nasal strips. These little adhesive wonders can help open up your nasal passages, allowing for smoother breathing and potentially reducing snoring. 3. Beware of sleep position shenanigans. Try sleeping on your side instead of your back. Propping a pillow behind your back can help keep you in the right position throughout the night. 4. Turn up the humidifier fun. Dry air can irritate the throat and increase the likelihood of snoring. Using a humidifier can add moisture to the air, making it easier for you to breathe and reducing the intensity of your snores. 5. Explore the power of soothing sounds. Soft background noise like calming music or white noise machines may help drown out the sound of your snoring, giving your wife a better chance of falling asleep. 6. Consider playing a gentle prank. Trust me, humor goes a long way. Record your own snoring sounds and play it back to yourself during the day. It might just encourage you to find ways to reduce the snoring at night. Remember, these playful suggestions might not work for everyone, but they're worth a try. And don't forget to have fun while figuring out what works best for you. Happy snore-free nights for both you and your wife. Contact US for normal delivery WCF Hospital Villivakkam 8,939,967,777. Subscribe and leave a comment.